Hi, I'd like to introduce you to the program iwas, which is a quality management software system, and I'd like to introduce you to how to implement ISO 9001 using the iwas system. You see the screen in front of you is a process view of our software. It's called the turtle view, and when we introduce ISO 9001, we do it, for example, introducing a day's program, which is shown like this in our process system. We can go back to the start page, and we can then introduce the management principles that are used to when you work with quality management: customer focus, leadership, involvement of people, process approach, system approach to management, continued improvement, factual approach to decision making, and mutual beneficial supplier relationships. And under these we can link to the text that shows or explains the customer focus item. Further on, we often go and show the road certification, which is a way another process view in the system, where we see you can start with research, appoint team, review options for consultant, determine training needs, develop a quality manual, implement the system, and then you select a certification body. You make sure you get some offers from different bodies, and then they come and they do document review, and they do the external audit, and you get your certificate. We usually say that this is a process that will take you 6 months, and we in all aspects use the system here. And we as well here can see the standard itself. We have all the standard chapters in the system. Customer focus, we can see the text of the standard here. Quality policy, we can see the text again. And purchasing, we see the text that belongs to the purchasing chapter in the ISO 9001 standard. So you have a complete standard here that you can actually link to from your system, so you can see where the different things in the standard are covered in your system. And with that standard, you then go and show your system. This is basically the system you create for your business. You have it on top, you have your management, you have their business process, the support process, and some measuring tools below, but support process here. And you can again click and get to the process for purchasing, and click and get to the process for internal audit. So we use the system both as an information system regarding the standard, as well, of course, as a system to show the business in an electronic quality manual. And our system here has 3 focus. We have the processes, we have reporting, and projects. Projects, you can see how we do an implementation of ISO 9001, shown in a Gantt chart. And this is basically how we always create a Gantt chart when we start a process to implement. We start by doing processing, reporting, improvement projects, internal audits, certification, and contract and certification audit. And we as well have reports to cover it, where we have the customer complaint report. You can, in the electronic report, you decide yourself how many different fields you want in the report, and you decide how to lay them out, how to create drop-down menus, and this and that. So it's a complete system with reporting tool, with process management and process layout, with projects management, and you have a complete tool to create your business and get implemented as an ISO 9001 company the way it should be done. Thank you very much.